Yeah, we should have a live score.
Yeah, we've got Charles FERRION from France.
Very skillful C1 paddler.
48.47 in his second run yesterday in the heat, qualifying first of the second heats, and then we're into the top 5. And very nicely through there, and just riding these waves, taking his time. That's it. You can see the stroke rate increase.
Yeah, nice.
Timing his strokes. And here we go.
Really giving it some to the finish. Each stroke bringing him closer.
Yes, into first place.
New race lead.
Okay, we're into the last 5 boats.